Chriso. I hope everyone's having a great day. I certainly am. Let's turn the camera around. I've done as much as I can do out here until Monday. I'll pop those cuts in on Monday morning, and then after a couple of hours I'll grout it up, grout this whole floor, so then they can put their furniture back away from the walls. The bloke, the handyman, is going to come in and lay the skirting, but once I've finished. So I've moved into the bathroom now, because what I'm going to be doing is laying the floor through here and into here, but I want to strip it out first. Excuse me. I want to strip it out first. That vanity is going to stay. I take the tiles off the wall. I'm going to go up and over this hob. They're not going to, they don't want me to pull it out now. So usually I set out a whole bathroom off the floor waste, but this time it won't happen because I'm coming through here with my tiles. I'll have it all lining up, so I'll put that shower floor there on the 45, which you'll see later when I do it, because that there is so bloody ugly. That tiler should have been shot, I tell you. That is so terrible. Anyway, so what I'll be doing is waterproofing. Once I've got those tiles off, I don't know whether they'll come off nicely, or if they don't, I'll just cut straight down there across and replace the sheets. Waterproof it all for home and homes. Okay, I'll see you soon, and I'll keep you informed of what I'm doing. But yeah, it's all gonna work out fantastically. Don't forget to subscribe. It's a fantastic job, this one. So it's but I do them all the time. It's sort of one of many, but it's so enjoyable. See ya. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.